In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attend an Eventbrite online event. Whether you're joining a business webinar or a virtual concert, these steps will guide you smoothly through the process from start to finish. Let's dive in. First, check your confirmation email. After registering for an event, Eventbrite sends a confirmation email to your inbox. Open your email app or website and perform a search for Eventbrite order. This should help you locate the email quickly. Once you find it, open the email and look for options such as View Event, Join Online Event, or a direct link to the event. This email is typically your main gateway to joining the event, providing a direct link to access it. In case you can't find the email, don't worry. You can still access your event through your Eventbrite account. Log in to Eventbrite with your credentials. Once logged in, tap on the Tickets section. Here you'll see a list of events you've registered for. Select the event you want to attend. From there, look for options like View Links, Go to Online Event, or Join Event. Clicking on these will take you directly to the live stream or webinar page. This step is crucial as it provides an alternative method to access the event, ensuring you're still able to join even if the email is misplaced. Now, let's talk about the online event page. Some events have a dedicated page where all the live stream details are hosted. You can access this page through three main ways: the confirmation email, the event page after logging into Eventbrite, or directly from your ticket within Eventbrite. This page is your all-in-one stop for everything you need, whether it's a Zoom link, YouTube stream, or another live stream platform. Having everything in one place keeps you organized and saves time. Next up, make sure to join at the right time. When the event starts, click on options like Join, Watch, or Access Event. Depending on the event, you might be redirected to platforms like Zoom or YouTube. It's important to note that some events require you to be logged into your Eventbrite account before you can join. This ensures that access is secure and only registered attendees can participate. If you encounter any issues joining, there are a few things you can try. First, check your spam or junk email folder. Sometimes, important emails might end up there by mistake. Make sure you're logged into the correct Eventbrite account, especially if you have multiple accounts. If you're still facing issues, consider contacting the event organizer. You can usually find contact details on the event page itself. Reaching out to them can help resolve any specific problems you might encounter. By following these steps, you'll be well prepared to attend any Eventbrite online event with ease. Remember, having your confirmation email or access to your Eventbrite account is key to joining the event successfully. With these tips, you'll be ready to enjoy your online event experience without any hitches. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful. Enjoy your event, and see you next time.